So one of the main points for an autonomous vehicle in certification is that it needs to be safe. So the emergency stops add a level of safety, but they need to be triggered manually. So we also use, as I said earlier, the laser scanners. So the laser scanners will cover a 270-degree field in the front here, covering here and up there, as well as in the perpendicular corner, covering 270-degree here and here. This gives us a 360-degree view around the e-cart, which makes sure we know if an object is coming too close to it, and the e-cart can act accordingly. Now, the safety is always at work, and especially here when it's driving autonomously. So he will never run into an object. If an object, say like a human being, is in the way, he will stop. And when I exit, he will start beeping, and then he will keep going on his way. If an object gets way too close, it will stop before he hits the object.